to us? What happened to me? What happened as I let it slip? I was confused by the powers that be, forgetting names and faces. Passers-by were looking at me as if they could erase it. Baby, did you forget to take your meds? Baby, did you forget to take your meds?
Welcome to Transcend Money Community. My name is Tony, and today's videos, as always, we are going to analyze the price of Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum. And how is the market now? The market now is brutally low liquidity. And what is the meaning of that? That means that the whales, they can move the price a lot, like around 7% without any problem at any time. It's going to be for sure moved by the traditional markets, but now the Bitcoin market is exposed to the whales. For that reason, we have the system to measure the whale activity in Twitter. You know, Twitter, you have the Transcend Money Community Twitter here down below in the description of the video, transcendmoney.t, and there just basically we'll have some signs when whales with more than 105 Bitcoin make a trade. And this is the signs we have. And if you see today, since the yesterday video, just 2 whales of more than 105 Bitcoin make a trade. Meanwhile, yesterday we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 whales. And before yesterday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there is no liquidity. There is no liquidity, plus today, not big trades. In fact, today, 0, because this is from yesterday night, and this is time UTC is London. Welcome, Indigo. Welcome, David. So now the market is just for sell to the whales, basically. And in my opinion, the whales, they can move the market around 300, 400 millions. So they can move to 90K or around, let me see, more than 110. So they don't have resistance. So they can move the price higher than $110,000 or to $90,000. We have liquidations for the longs at 93,000. So that's going to be the first target, I think, from yesterday. No, 90. But the main target right now is 93,000. So 93,000 will probably have a bounce in the scalping. And let's see what they're planning, because they can bring the price to 90 or even 88,000 for the price of Bitcoin easily. It's not a big volume for them, 300, 400 million dollars or around 5,000 Bitcoins. So now we are in that situation. And imagine for the altcoins. So the market is exposed. Now it's very delicate. If the whales decide to move the market, they can make it very cheaply. They can, with few amount of money or tokens, they can move a lot the market. So in the following hours, I think can be a great opportunity. So I'm gonna place all my limit orders and with a stop loss to try to catch good opportunities in the following hours in case the whales decide to move the price. Because right now, again, we didn't have any whale today. Zero whales. Zero whales of 10 million dollars. Zero. And normally we have like 10, 12, 15 whales. You have the per day Transfer Money Community Twitter, and you can check it there. And today, zero, no even one whale. This was from yesterday UTC time. So we have to pay a lot of attention, because if the whales start to enter in the market, we can have a very big movement. As far as now, we didn't have whales today. Very impressive, in my opinion, that we didn't have any at all. Tony BTC-D is about to fall. So yeah, and I think this around 95, 94,000 is quite important, because we have also a support, but I think it's going to go for the 93, where we have a lot of liquidations. But yeah, we are about to lose this point, as Tomako is saying. So I think here in Bitcoin, probably it's going to be 90 or even 88. It depends how the volume start to move. I think 90 could be the key point. 93 is the most probable scenario, of course, because we are just at 0.8%. But again, it depends of the whales, because now they have a lot of power, because there are few orders in the order book. And for the pump can be brutal, can go higher than 110. Because look, it's just $355 million or 3,600 Bitcoins. 410,000. So there is not resistance right now in the market. There is not resistance. It's brutal. The first one is, sorry, I didn't mention right. What I mean is, like, it's very cheap to move the market, and the resistance is right now 100K with 362 Bitcoins, but just 300 millions. So they can break it, this one. And if they break the 100,000, then it's very cheap to keep moving the price to 110,000. So that's the target. And 100 trend, so can totally reverse the market if it's blowing up the 10,000. So we'll see what the whales they want to buy. For me, the opportunity is to buy at 90. 90 is the opportunity. 90, 88, I think I'm gonna place my options there. But I'm gonna trade Solana, not Bitcoin, because I think have more movement. And also for Ethereum, we'll see that there is a cap and handles right now. There is a cap and handle in Ethereum. So let's see if they don't move the market down. It can be a good opportunity for a huge bounce. So let's see which is the play. If they're gonna axe the price and then skyrocket, or they're gonna keep it flat during the Christmas time. So let's see the whales. Right now we have the Twitter, that at any point we're gonna have information about what's gonna happen with the whales. Okay, so then let's place right now we have 87,600 right now. That's quite low. If I refresh, I'm gonna lose all the information and I have to wait. So I'm gonna take this information right now, and we're gonna go for this. Now start to entering liquidity, because we have 90, 92, 200 Bitcoins, and then 87, 600. So the market is changing. What happened with the traditional markets? Let me check. Nasdaq is pumping a little bit, but still 0.5%. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here in version 2. Of course, the volume was not bad today. Interesting. 18 billions. It's not really bad. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up this supports, that is 92, 90. So we're gonna keep the 90, just 200 Bitcoins, not so much. Then 92 is gonna be around this area. Oh, sorry. And then the 87,600. 87,600. Obviously, if the whales start to play around, then we'll have a big change in the order book, probably. But right now, this is the game. 87,600 is the one with more Bitcoins, 400 Bitcoins right now. And for the resistance, I would say just the 100,000 with 362 Bitcoins. That is going to be basically on the resistance we have that is coming from long time ago, from November 2021. I'm going to keep it like this. But okay, so this is the channel we have right now. I'm going to share with all of you also my supports and resistance in the chart. I think the chat is working, right? Yes. So now we are in a critical level, obviously, because if we lose this level, the price can go below 90. If the whales are going hard, I think the price can go below 90. And that's it, because the resistance, you see, is 141 Bitcoins, 100, so it's very small amounts. So right now, there is more money waiting for the price to make a correction. And let's see also how is Solana in a few moments. 183. Okay, so let me check this one and going back. So how do you see the markets, and which is your strategy right now for Christmas? Because obviously Christmas we're gonna be busy, and if the whales enter, they're gonna move the market in a probably in a moment that we don't expect, right? Or maybe they don't do anything. Who knows? Who knows? They can click the button and then move the market. So 90, 92, 93. Now start to be a little bit resistance at 94,390 with 144 Bitcoins. But still, the resistance in accumulate volume is very low. So let's go for Solana and let's see what do we have for Solana. The volume was below $20 billion in Bitcoin, Ethereum 11 billion, and Solana 3 billion. So let's go for Solana and let's see, but in the version 3 I would like. Solana is fighting fiercely the resistance, so maybe have some chance. Have to break it as soon as possible, because if Bitcoin is not breaking the resistance, Bitcoin or Solana, this resistance that is coming from the brutal symmetrical triangle that is coming from 2021, at the end of 2021, this one here you can see is super powerful. Symmetrical triangle is coming from October more or less 2021. And then let's go, this is the order book from yesterday that was basically empty, and now Solana is trying to break this what is now resistance, and this is going to be fascinating if it's achieving. These were the trades from yesterday that I'm going to check it out now. Look at the pressure is having with the resistance here, and so let's go for the order book and see which tips do we have right now, because I think also we have the same situation for Solana than for Bitcoin, that the liquidity is low right now, 170 I'm gonna go. And then this one, this is the website of Transfer Money Community. You have the links down below, and we have a big one. Ooh, 165. So still that drop still open, right? And as long as it's trying to push the resistance, the probabilities to make a correction, they will increase. Right now, the biggest liquidity for the prices in Solana is 165, with 36,000 Solanas. So I'm gonna place that one, 165. So that will be an incredible opportunity to buy Solana cheap. 162, there we go. and this is gonna have 36,000, and we're going green. Great. Then we have 175, 174, and 170, 171, 155. There's a lot of liquidity in Solana. From the 175 to the 155, there's a lot of liquidity. We can see more than 20,000. So that's good because the money is expecting to Solana to make a correction, but they waiting to buy. So that in some way is good. So I'm gonna go for the 175 again. That is gonna be around here with almost 30,000. I'm gonna keep the 3 pixels, 75, and then the 155. But I would like to mark that the 75 has the 74 also. So that will be 40,000 Solanas in this small space, and then 170. So there is where I'm gonna place my grid, starting from there, because I think can be a good opportunity. 171, 175. So it's a 71 here. Here is a big grid right now. For scalping, I think this can be good. And then the 75 already there. Okay, so around this region, I think it's going to be good for the price of Solana. That's around a drop of 4% and then 6%. And then for the resistance, we have 210 like yesterday, right? 210. So this is the region where I think can move 24,000. That's the region. Well, so Solana is gonna be the play for me. Solana is gonna be the play. All these opportunities, we can have discounts of 9%, 4%, or even 15% in Solana. That could be up to 150% at 10x, and 20x, 200x, 200%. So that's the current movement for Solana. And Solana, I already have a trade. I think it's a short. This I'm gonna keep an eye. Right now it's a small one with it's like $2,000 in the market, $100 on the trade, and it's 12% on profits now. Okay, and so rapidly we're gonna check Ethereum also, and then we finish the video, because let's go for the Ethereum quickly. Version 3, because Ethereum for me, as you know, is the who is telling us when it's gonna be the alt season. So we need to really break this thing. 120k. Okay, let's go. Meanwhile, the order book is loading. We didn't mark yesterday the support and resistance, but Ethereum right now is on inside the symmetrical triangle that we were mentioning in similar to the one in Solana, and it's like in a kind of support, make double bottom, double ceiling, double touch in the ceiling, correct, and we can see here a cap and handle around here, and this is the handle. So this can bring the price, I guess, around $5,000. But the point is in the following hours, right? If we have a chance to buy, how beautiful was the support that we marked here? Amazing. Let's see what do we have in the price of Ethereum. You know that for me, 2,000 Ethereum is significant. So we have the 3,100 with 6,000 Ethereum is gonna be around here. That's gonna be a drop of 6%. There we go. And then is 6, so 4 pixels. Then we have 2850, 28 flash crash. I think the market is expecting a flash crash. It's gonna be around here. It's gonna depend of the traditional markets that they are flirting now in the resistance, and then the 3080. So this is for me the top three. 3080 will be around here. Okay, and these are with more than 2000, but then we have a lot of prices down that has 2000 ethereums, so it's a lot of liquidity to buy down here. And the resistance is 3385 also. I think was similar to yesterday and before yesterday. 38 no 33 88 33. Oh, this is 2%. 33 88. Wow. 33 88. This pressure to sell here with 2000, not so big, but and 33.75. So there is selling pressure right now. And then 36.42, but it's 1000 Ethereum, so it's not so important. Yeah, so there is a little bit of down pressure right now. Okay, so we're gonna leave the video here. You know that you have down below in the description of the video all the links. The Transfer Money web is this one. Then you have the Twitter, and if you want to open an account in Mexc, you have here the link down below, and you can use this UID to open a free account in the website of Transfer Money community. So thank you very much to everyone. I wish you good Christmas. I wish you very good luck with your positions, wealth, health, and love, and see you in the next video.